m squared minus m cube is equal to 3 upon 64. We have to find the value of m. So m squared minus m cube, we send 3 upon 64 to the left hand side. It will be minus 3 upon 64 is equal to 0. Now this minus 3 upon 64, this we can also write it as minus 4 upon 64 plus 1 upon 64. And if we reduce this fraction by dividing both numerator and denominator by 4, it is 1 upon 16 or minus 1 upon 16. So we can write here m square minus m cube, and in the place of minus 3 upon 64 we can write minus 1 upon 16 plus 1 upon 64 is equal to 0. Or now let's rearrange the question. We can write m square minus 1 upon 16 together, and then minus m cube minus 1 upon 64 together. We are not changing the question, just rearranging it. Or m square minus 1 upon 16, we can write it as 1 upon 4 square minus m cube minus 1 upon 64 as 1 upon 4 cube is equal to 0. Now this is in the form of differences of square, a square minus b square, and this we can expand as a plus b times a minus b. So this will be m plus 1 upon 4 times m minus 1 upon 4, then minus, this is in the form of a cube minus b cube, and this we can expand a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. So let's write it as m minus 1 upon 4 then times m square plus 1 upon 4m plus 1 upon 4 square. Now m minus 1 upon 4 is the common factor, so we can take it common, m minus 1 upon 4. The remaining factors then are m plus 1 upon 4, then minus m square plus 1 upon 4m plus 1 upon 16, or m minus 1 upon 4 then m plus 1 upon 4 minus m square minus 1 upon 4m minus 1 upon 16 is equal to 0. Or m minus 1 upon 4 then times minus m square minus 1 upon 4m plus m will be plus 3 upon 4m. 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 16 is plus 3 upon 16 is equal to 0. Now when a times b is equal to 0, then either a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. So we have two solutions here. When m minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 0, in that case m is equal to 1 upon 4. So this is one solution for m. When minus m square plus 3 upon 4m plus 3 upon 16 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. If we multiply both the side by minus 16, then we have minus minus plus 16m square plus minus minus 16 times 3 upon 4m. So 4 times 4 is 16 plus minus minus 16 times 3 upon 16. So 16 and 16 gets cancelled is equal to 0. Now we have 16m square minus 12m minus 3 is equal to 0. Now to find the roots for this quadratic equation, we are going to use the quadratic equation formula, where m is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac under square root upon 2a, where a here is the coefficient of m square, that is 16, b here is coefficient of m, that is minus 12, and c here is 3, minus 3. So let's find the roots. Minus 12 plus minus minus 12 square minus 4 times 16 times minus 3 upon 2 times a is 16 minus minus plus 12 plus minus 144 plus 192 upon 32 or 12 plus minus 336 under square root upon 32 or 12 plus minus 336, we can write it as 16 times 21 upon 32, or if we take 16 out of the square root, it will be 12 plus minus 4 times square root of 21 upon 32. So we take 4 common, 4 parenthesis 3 plus minus square root of 21 upon 32. 4 times 8 is 32. 3 plus minus square root of 21 upon 8. So two solutions for m again will be when 3 plus square root of 21 upon 8 and when it is 3 minus square root of 21 upon 8. We can verify this answer. M square is 1 upon 4 square minus 1 upon 4 cube. It should be equal to 3 upon 64. 1 upon 4 square will be 1 upon 16. 1 upon 4 cube will be 1 upon 64. 64 is the common denominator, 4 minus 1, and this is equal to 3 upon 64. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Only real solution for M is 1 upon 4. How did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.